In continuing to gather high-quality sublimation blanks at affordable prices, SubliCraft now offers 30-ounce skinny tumblers to go alongside their most popular tumblers. Just like their prior offerings, SubliCraft's 30-ounce tumblers are available in standard and glitter styles in both white and silver finishes. Whatever finish you prefer, however, any sublimation transfer applied onto them will appear at its cleanest with the best color saturation and clarity possible. We'll be guiding you through how simple it is to customize SubliCraft's 30-ounce skinny tumblers through sublimation with none other than the Heat Press Nation CraftPro Mug and Tumbler Press. To begin, prepare your design within the imprint area of the 30-ounce tumbler. The easiest way is by using this tumbler's template at heatpressnation.com, which upon loading it on imaging software like Adobe Photoshop, you can import or create your design within the safety areas and center points of this template. Once you're all set with your design, save it as a new file, then it's ready to be printed through a sublimation printer. Sawgrass users will need to send this through Sawgrass Print Manager with these settings: substrate to stainless steel tumbler, paper to the loaded paper's profile, leave mirror checked, and set the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid depending on the overall color saturation. Before printing, however, be sure that you're using a Sawgrass SG-1000 printer with 11 by 17 inch paper loaded. With the transfer printed, trim around the printed design's edges first. When using the template, we recommend using a craft knife to precisely trim the indicated edges at about 1.5 millimeters. Next, remove the lid and any contents inside a blank 30-ounce SubliCraft tumbler. Then center and wrap the transfer around it, keeping the trimmed side in contact with the tumbler. To keep it in place, tightly tape the edge of the transfer with heat tape. To completely wrap the tumbler, you'll also want to heat tape the top and bottom edges with tension. Now with the 30-ounce tumbler ready, you'll need to make sure that your mug press has been set up to press tumblers. For CraftPro machines, this will just be a matter of swapping the default TruePrint element with the tumbler attachment. Simply unscrew all the thumb screws on top, disconnect the element's cable below the digital gauge, then slide it out of the machine. The TruePrint tumbler attachment can now be slid above the appropriate mounting points. Fasten the thumb screws back in place, then connect the attachment's cable below the digital gauge. Test pressing is best done before powering on the machine to keep the transfer fresh, but either way will require medium pressure for the tumbler. With your pressure set, take the tumbler out and set the mug press to 70 seconds at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as it reaches temperature, wear heat-resistant gloves to slide the tumbler inside the heating element and press. After 70 seconds, open the machine, give the tumbler a 1/3 rotation, and press for another 70 seconds. Repeat this step once more for a total of 2 rotations and 3 presses. When rotating the tumbler, you can imagine a peace symbol when marking your angles, with the seam at the bottom. This will avoid your seam facing the gap when pressing. As soon as your heat press reaches time, open it and take the tumbler out to completely cool down. Though if you'd like to peel sooner, you could wait at least 30 seconds. Then begin peeling the transfer out while wearing your heat gloves. Your high-quality sublimation print is now a permanent part of a tall 30-ounce tumbler from SubliCraft. You can learn more about SubliCraft and CraftPro on our YouTube channel or by visiting heatpressnation.com.